how to fix no service SIM card problem on Android. So if you're facing no service SIM card problem on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to simply turn on your airplane mode for a minute. So simply tap on airplane mode and then turn on your airplane mode. Once you turn on your airplane mode for 1 minute, then just simply turn it off, and now you can simply check your service and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then you can simply open up your settings. Once you open, now you need to simply scroll down, go with network and internet, and here you will have the SIM card and mobile network option. Tap on the SIM card and mobile network, and from here you just need to simply go with the SIM one or the SIM that you are using, and under that you just need to simply go with the preferred network type and make sure that you choose 3G or 4G, and then you need to make sure that you've enabled the SIM card. So here on the upper side you will have enable SIM card option. Make sure that you've enabled the SIM card. Once you've enabled, now you just need to simply go back and on the search, go with the search. On the search you need to search for reset option. Once you search for reset, here you will have reset options. Tap on reset options and again tap on it, and from here you just need to simply go with reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and then go with reset settings, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after that your problem will be fixed. Make sure to restart your device. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.